Hello everyone! Are you wondering what Goblin core means? Let's explore. Goblin core is an aesthetic that embraces the chaotic, messy, and unconventional aspects of life. It celebrates the beauty in what is often considered ugly or weird, focusing on things like moss, dirt, and cluttered spaces. This aesthetic is about finding comfort in imperfection and rejecting the polished, picture-perfect ideals often seen on social media. Goblin core enthusiasts might collect odd objects, wear mismatched clothes, and take pride in living authentically, without concern for traditional standards of beauty or cleanliness. It's a subculture that values the odd and the overlooked, turning what others might see as flaws into something to be celebrated. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.